start capacitor that was back there that wouldn't start the compressor. And then we're gonna the compressor right now is not turning on in the combo machine. It's trying to turn on, but it's not. It's making a little noise. We're gonna go in here. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna let y'all hear the noise that it's making, show y'all where it's coming from, and we're gonna change the start capacitor on that. And that's what turn your compressor on. And it looks like this. It's a start capacitor. We about to go in there and switch out the start capacitor on the compressor too, and then turn it on again and see if it actually is able to turn on then. So we'll go in here and get to business. So if you simply, this was in here, if you simply take a flathead screwdriver and pick this pin up, the whole case will pop out. You can't really see it from right here, but I can feel how hot. I can feel how hot this is. Just took out the start capacitor that was back there that wouldn't start the compressor. That's what that one looked like. You know what I'm saying? Obviously a lot smaller, and then this the other one we're gonna put in. It got the same ratings on it and everything, different company, but we're gonna see if this one started. You see that one, the hole done bust out of there, it got fluid coming out. You can tell this one was done for. Ooh, yeah, you can smell it.
It looks a lot fresher.
Yeah.
And he said to make sure you smell your item. That'll give you an idea if it's
busted. Yeah. This one.
What would it smell like?
It'll smell like oil.
Okay.
That's exactly what this one smells like, oil. And it's busting, leaking out, and it wouldn't give it that initial joint to start the compressor, but. Swapping that out, we're gonna see if this one get the job done. we waiting to see if the inside and the evaporator in here get cold. I don't hear it making that noise attempting to start anymore. It's still running. I put my hand on it. I can feel it vibrating. I'm pretty sure it's on now. But we just gonna double check just to make sure. You wanna see a frozen evaporator coil. Close this. Down here is super cold though. All the air down here is super cold. Then, as we look back here, I can feel that cold air. Oh, nothing but cold air right here. We just put the new start capacitor, hooked it up to the compressor. Wasn't nothing but 2 wires. To take it out wasn't nothing but a flathead screwdriver, popping it out of place, switching it out. And now the compressor has no problem turning off, turning on, running as long as it needs to run. So I showed y'all that noise that it make in the beginning. That particular noise will let you know that if you having a capacitor problem or not. You're gonna hear the capacitor try to turn on. It's like a 5-second strain. You're gonna but that's an indicator that your capacitor is bad. So if you want to get your drinks back cool and cooled out, it's a 5-10 minute change if you already got the piece. And if you need help finding the piece, we can also post that in the link. See, they keep dropping. So you see that compressor working. Y'all see them temperatures dropping. Y'all see them temps dropping. Y'all see them numbers falling. See, it's 55 and 50. It's almost down to that. It's almost down to that 45 and that 30. But you see, it's been going down since we headed up here, headed all the way up at 60. So clearly the compressor is working now. It's on. It's cooling down the compartment, the area.